My name is Dilip from Ipoh. Actually, this Barfellowws I combined with my friends who is also from Ipoh and same school as well. We wanted to have a place where we can have a gathering, where you can have easy conversation with your friends instead of loud music and all. So that's how we come up with more subtle type of bar. We are doing Western food, more the Western style. We're trying to incorporate some Asian fusion into the Western food. So our specialty that we have regulars keep coming back for the same dishes is our lamb chop, mighty meatball pasta, and our bacon steak. So our lamb chop is marinated in our in-house sauce. And then we have our bacon steak, which is also marinated in our in-house sauce and served with butterscotch sauce. We have our sardine pizza. We actually accidentally found this recipe where during the NCO, me and my friend was like cooking dishes for our own self, so we thought of cheapest dish to cook for ourselves. We overcooked for 2 persons, so we had to keep for the next day. The next day we didn't want to eat with rice, so we thought of putting it on top of a pizza. So it ended up tasting good, and then we put it in our menu also. And so far, yes, we do have customers who are coming back for sardine pizza. Meatball, when you cut in the middle, then the cheese will flow out like a typical chocolate lava cake. What we are famous here for is our gin. We sell it for 10 ringgit. Our specialty here. So we have pineapple flavor, grape flavor, and also the regular one, gin tonic and lemon. The one that customers keep coming back for more or ordering again and again is gin tonic with Asam Boy. So Asam Boy become our seller for the gin that we are doing here.